Hello students, let's read this problem together. Kim has a box of marbles with 8 red, 12 orange, 4 purple, and 6 green marbles. What is the probability of not picking an orange marble? So the first thing I would like to do is I would like to draw a picture of the marbles. So now that we have a picture of our marbles, we can see it more clearly, and we also want to find our total. So 8 red plus 12 orange is 20, and then 4 and 6, that's another 10. So we have a total of 30 marbles. And we can count the dots as well, or the marbles, the dots that represent each marble, and there should be 30. So now, let's find the probability of getting an orange marble. So the probability of selecting an orange marble from the box is, let's look at the orange marbles. There are 12, and we have a total of 30 marbles in the box. Now let's see if we can simplify this fraction. So we are thinking of the factors of 12 and the factors of 30 to find a common factor. And we're looking for the greatest common factor. So let's use 6. So 12 divided by 6 is 2, and 30 divided by 6 is 5. So the probability of selecting an orange marble is 2/5. So now we need to find the complement because we want the ones that are not orange. So we're looking for the complement. So to find the complement, we'll find the probability of not selecting an orange marble. So to find the complement, we take 1, because we're talking about the entire group or the entire box of marbles, minus what we got for orange, which was 2/5. So remember that when we have 1, the numerator and denominator will be the same number. We can pick any number as long as the top and the bottom number are the same. And since we are using fifths, we want 1 represented by 5/5. That way, when we subtract 2/5, we have a common denominator of 5. That common denominator will stay the same, so 5, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So the probability of not selecting an orange marble is 3 out of 5. Now look at the picture and see if we can come up with the same answer in a different way. So with our picture, I can see the 12 orange marbles, and we want the probability of not picking an orange marble. So we don't want orange. So we will count all the ones that are not orange. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 18 marbles that are not orange out of a total of 30 marbles. We can simplify using the greatest common factor, which is 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3, and 30 divided by 6 is 5. You see how we got the same answer? So the probability of not selecting orange is 3/5, and we can see that with our picture model. Now let's go ahead and look at our answer grid. We're not going to be able to put a fraction into the answer grid. So we want to make sure to change our fraction into a decimal. Do we remember how to change a fraction into a decimal? That's correct. We're going to have to divide the numerator by the denominator. So 3 is the numerator, goes inside the box, and the denominator is going to go outside. But 5 cannot go into 3. So we're going to have to add a decimal and make sure we bring it up to our quotient. We add a 0, and now 5 goes into 30 6 times. And so 3/5 is equivalent to 0.6 or even 60%. But we want our decimal. We want a decimal answer. So we're going to put 0.6 in our grid. So 0 goes in front of the decimal, and then 6 goes behind the decimal. And then make sure to bubble in nice and neatly. So the probability of not picking an orange marble is 0.6.